course, just been to the loo. Are you having a fun night?
Fantastic.
Yes?
It's so exciting. It's just like you said, when do you get the chance to... I mean, I'm sitting behind Gary Lineker. I can massage his shoulders and everything. Nose in my seat.
Nose in your seat, exactly. Sit there, sit right there. Are you having a nice time, Gary? I'm having a lovely time. Especially now. This is the best spa of all time, isn't it? The NTA, is there anything else we can get for you in retirement?
Award would be nice.
Yeah. You're going to love this next one, Gary. One of my favourite shows this year has been The Assembly, a celebrity interview series like no other. And we're about to see an exclusive performance from those involved. But before we do, let's take a look at some memorable moments from this series.
What made you see that jumper and be like, oh, okay, I can wear this?
Welcome to The Assembly, our collective of autistic, neurodivergent and learning disabled interviewers.
When were you most scared?
Who's your dentist?
How working class was it to send your son to a private school?
No subjects are out of bounds.
A lot of Act Factories and sold their soul. Do you regret selling yours?
Do I regret selling my soul?
Oh?
When I was, oh dear.
Sorry.
In your face, there's a really good energy in the room.
This is my favourite interview that I've ever done.
Here with their rendition of Moving On Up, which brought Danny Dyer to tears, something we never thought we'd see. Please welcome The Assembly's house band.
I was blind. Now I see. You made a believer out of me. I'm moving on up now, getting out of the darkness. My light shines on.